The allowable ampacity or current carrying capacity of a conductor is determined by factors such as the conductor material, for example, copper or aluminum, the conductor size, the insulation thickness, and the ambient temperature. The National Electrical Code or NEC specifies safe ampacity values for different conductor sizes and types. Using 12 American wire gauge or AWG wire for lights is permitted within the NEC because, firstly, 12 AWG copper wire has an allowable ampacity of 20 amps. This means that it can safely carry a current of up to 20 amps. Secondly, lighting fixtures typically draw less than 20 amps. General illumination fixtures, such as recessed lights and ceiling lights, typically draw between 0.5 and 5 amps. The wire gauge within lighting fixtures is often smaller than the branch circuit wire, for example, 20 AWG stranded wire. This is because, firstly, fixtures are typically short in length. The shorter length reduces the voltage drop and heat generation. Secondly, fixtures are in a controlled environment. Fixtures are typically enclosed within walls, ceilings, or lampshades, which helps protect the wires from external damage and overcurrent. Allowing 20 AWG wire within fixtures makes sense for several reasons. Firstly, it is cost effective. Using smaller wire reduces the material cost of the fixture. Secondly, it is flexible. Smaller stranded wire is more flexible and easier to install within tight spaces in fixtures. Thirdly, it is safe. As long as the fixture wire is protected within the enclosure, it is unlikely to experience overcurrent conditions. In summary, wiring lights with 12 AWG wire and protecting it with a 20 amp breaker is permissible by code because the ampacity of the 12 AWG wire is sufficient for the typical current draw of lighting fixtures, and the smaller wire gauge within the fixtures is safe when properly enclosed.